Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat and fix, sign, destroy, and neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored.
No. Untori promise Mary. Untori ke tonyala jwang wetsa so.
Na le Jino igqokile ithengelwe yimi. Na le sigqoko saka Jesu.
Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Nginesikhathi esigangana njena nokhamba.
Yes.
Amafrezi ngadlala.
Yo, Dlamini.
Ukhathele sana ne?
Yo. My energy levels.
Ngathi ubungekho wasendlini.
Bendisendlini.
Bungalali ngane ngoba
Andazi.
you have to rest.
Yo, ndoleni kuyo. Khababiza. Like people like to babiza. Dlamini.
Yabona. Guys, this is not on. Eating ngisho this is not on. Lisa, she's making me do a job. And angifuni ukwenza umsebenzi wakhe. Ngithini ubona?
We go around asking couples
Okay,
questions.
we go around asking people questions. Mafethu sanibonani. Naphila. Yaphila futhi ngathi ngisumphazamisa yathobisa nokuqaphela.
Look at the doggy.
Igama lami kuMphambo kaZamini le-CMTV. Umsebenzi esiwenzayo ukungena ngestrata nestrata. Yabo, sihambe sifunana nabantu abathandanayo. Yini uyayimanda camera? Unenkinga nayo. Asenze kanjena nje ami understand nami ngaba naleyo nkinga leyo. Ngicela ukuthi unginikeze isikhathi kusenze lento and then mangabe egcinile ohambelana nayo singajidelisa ila nkinga. Ayina nkinga. Siswami yaphila. Mivukere. Na mina mivukere siswameni. Kamera mina ni welcome wona imani. Pretty. Ithi kama yatubani. Aw Oscar da Foscar. Akunankinga ngaza ukuthi ngiyabonga isikhathi sembe. Ngicela ukuthi nje lento senzele lapha futhi. 2 minutes sobe sesiqedile bese niya. Anking yabo. If ahambelana nayo nje yami, asikho stress mfethu. So delete.
What is out delete Dlamini? Don't listen I delete.
Delete, yeah.
Hi guys, did he explain to you what's happening?
Yeah.
Are you okay with it?
Yeah, kancane nje kodwa
So
zakalala.
no? Okay, I'm just going to ask you a few questions. My lady, come to my left, please. All right, name?
Oscar.
Oscar, and?
Pretty.
Pretty. How long have you been with Oscar?
7 months.
7 months?
Yes.
Still going strong? Okay, Oscar, would you agree?
Yeah.
Still going strong?
Yeah.
Okay, what is it that you like about her, Pretty?
Awuzithobile, yeah. And ngizothini? Akusuba strata. Akekho everywhere.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Yeah. And ngizothini awona manje ngenza mblush yeah. Into right.
Okay, does she drink alcohol?
Akaphuzi.
Do you drink alcohol?
Yeah.
God, you want a girl that doesn't drink, but you drink alcohol?
No, ukuthi nje uNkulunkulu uvula nginike yena azange ngamshintsha nje ngimthola kanje. Yeah, akaphuzi.
Okay.
Ungazi if uyazifihla.
Yasmin. Pretty Yasmin?
No.
But there's no need. I mean, we're adults. If we drink, we can drink openly, right? Okay, what is it that you like about Oscar?
Like munhu wa kahle. Ukhulu ka mina.
Okay.
Loko hi vulavula kahle. Angabi harsh.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you like soft niggas.
Yes.
You're not a softie, but you're soft to your women. That's what I mean. Ne, we don't want to ruin your street cred, right? Where did you meet her?
Sihlangane esikolweni. Yeah, and ngizothini ivela yenzakala nje yabona it started with a little conversation. Sabona sis exchange ama number.
Yeah.
Then kwaba into.
Okay, a solid.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And then Enkonzweni, would you say she's east of 66?
Angazi into ezisomele sizikhulume ngapha but yeah, yena I'm happy.
You're happy?
Everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Pretty.
Yes.
Have you ever suspected him of cheating or anything along those lines?
No.
0. Have you ever been through his phone?
No.
So, girl, how would you know? How would you know?
Obvious.
What do you mean obvious? This girl.
Like Loko munhu langusane
Yeah,
na xikandza xi kombi ku chitsa.
okay.
Yes.
Okay. All right, let me actually tell you what we do on this show, ne?
Yes.
So what we do on this show, we basically make couples switch phones, okay? So you guys switch phones and you guys go through each other's WhatsApps. Pretty?
Yes.
How do you feel? Would you be okay with that?
No.
No.
Okay.
You're not your phone?
Yeah.
Oscar?
No, ngifuna ukwazi wena ngona vele siyenze.
Because why is she saying no?
No.
Are you hiding something?
No, I'm not hiding. I fanele ngikhomela na tifoni. N'wana n'wana mela khomela.
Talk to your woman, please.
No, ayithi cha. Asivele siyenze once because ngiyabona ukuthi khonto nalo no wakho sheshe wawo. No not her privacy but manje basivele siyenze mfethu once.
Okay.
I mean, your man has spoken. He wants to switch. Okay, guys, let's switch. I said bluzz. Okay, let's start with your phone. So I need your passcode. Should we start? It doesn't matter, actually. Passcode, password. Okay, thank you. All right. Go to our WhatsApp, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, type love you.
Yeah, kuvela mina ngaphandle nosisi wakhe.
Okay.
I think i-cousin yakhe lona.
You think?
Yeah, ngiyamazi mara ngikho sure because she's always with this girl or angazi or umngani wakhe.
Okay, it's fine. Okay, delete. Type miss you.
Yimi lona.
Mm-hmm.
Angiyazi le number le ngasivanga nje.
Go into the chat.
Ngathi dala baqalile ukukhuluma nje.
Pretty?
Ngithumela nezithombe.
Sibone izinto apha, what's happening? Who's the unsaved number?
My cousin.
Your cousin.
Yes.
Yini love you once lena. Sisibheke isithombe. Nekhazini yomfana.
Yes.
Go into media.
Yeah.
Pretty? Kwenza kandon?
Cousin ya mina. Oh.
And the pictures?
Just.
Futhi lesi ngisho. Sengicika nje ngisibheke.
Like, what's happening, Pretty?
Let me see.
And what's this person's name?
Bukani ngoba uyazi into elana efonini.
Cousin ya mina.
What's his name? What's your cousin's name?
Wa futhi ungayisevanga inami.
Sibusiso.
Okay. Do you want to call him?
Ngicela nje simfonele, right? Isandla size siyashika ngawo.
When we call him, is he going to say he's your cousin? Let me just get the number. Oh, okay.
Manje wamanami ungawasevanga.
Nothing.
Yabona uma usenza kanje uyangicika yazi. Uyangicika.
Why don't you save your cousin's number? Pretty.
Nothing.
Nothing. You don't. That's your answer.
Yes.
Hectic. Pretty. Hi, can I please speak to Sabu? Hey, Bo. No mo Sabu balaki amatyala debts. This is what I do when I have debts. I decline the call. Hi, can I please speak to Sabu?
Hello?
Hi, am I speaking to Sabu?
Khuluma noSibusiso.
Yeah, sure mfethu.
What's good, bro?
Yini oyihlanganisa noPreeze?
Pretty's my main squeeze.
Kanjani mfethu squeezani manje angibuzwa isqueeze yani la?
My main squeeze. Who you?
Mina ngibuze wena kuqala ngiphendule yini lo squeeze ni squeeze yini lana? Uyini kuwe?
Yeah, she my fine babe. She my fine shit, man.
Cousin yakho fine sheets la.
cousin yami lo.
Ama fine sheets la obo screen umbhedo la. Kodwa ke sisi
Who are you when you are? Unguzo wethu.
Bridget, what's happening?
It's my cousin.
Hayi ke ngoku hayi. We literally just called this nigga. Uthi fine shit.
ngikhulume naye once.
Oh, so you done?
No, uyahleka inkinga manje na into
And I also don't understand by into enyebisayo.
fine sheets ama cousin. Niyasqueezana mina usqueeze or squeeze.
Data no screw.
It's my cousin, bro.
Oh, you are so boring. What a boring girl. Even when you caught, you can't even explain yourself. Are you gonna explain yourself to your man? Are you gonna say something? Are you tongue-tied?
Cousin yami mina kwalexi ni nga ta xivula.
Oh,
Mina uzikhiphile kumina.
you done?
Yeah, ngicela nje nimkhombise yami lapho angathi kusasa
Yeah, I get you. Full phone. Oh. Okay, go to his WhatsApp. Okay. Type love you.
squeeze.
Imagine. Nothing.
Yes.
Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
Nothing.
Yeah. Okay, delete. Type thank you. Let's see who's doing your man favors. Okay, I don't see anything dodgy.
Yes.
That's you, no?
Yeah.
Okay, delete that. Type babe.
Yes.
Okay, nothing. Okay, delete. Type Woza.
Nothing.
Yeah. Delete. Type Ageko. Nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah. Delete. Type test.
Nothing.
Okay, delete. Type pregnant.
Nothing.
Okay, did we type outside to see who your man is fetching?
No.
Outside?
Nothing.
Yeah, I give your man his phone. So you're done, Oscar.
Yeah, azini
Mm.
angayicima umjitha lento.
Okay.
Ngicela icime kancane mfethu.
Mm.
So like umuntu ne asikazi sachecka namafoni because science ithemisa ukuthi yazini if ubona ngathi I'm not the one for you, you are free to go. And since senza lento leyo, makazili ifoni ihlala la akekho uzothinta omunye because siyazi ukuthi senzani thina
Yeah.
so manje yena makayenza into ezikanje uphinda ahleke iyangicika nje yazi.
Yeah.
And angifuni ukwenza into engizosola ngayo. Yeah, so angazi ayi fethu.
I'm not Oscar ndiyakuva. Pretty, in fact, you can go.
No, I can't.
Oh, you can't?
Yes.
Oh, you can talk now?
Yeah.
Oh, you can talk. You have a voice?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, talk.
Kuzendle leswi iku anganyik girlfriend allowance so mina ni fane ni endle.
Oh. So Usbu gives you a girlfriend allowance?
The man who called.
Usbu, yes.
Yes.
Oh, Oscar doesn't give you money.
Yes.
How long have you been with Usbu?
3 months.
3 months.
Yes.
So be his side nigga, but his side nigga that gives you money.
Yes.
Oscar, do you wanna carry on with Oscar, or are you gonna carry on with Usbu? That gives you a girlfriend allowance. Yeah.
So awazi vele. I-answer mostly umnika yona nto. Sho ukuthi ukhethe yena uSibu.
So okay, Usbu.
Yes.
I'm sorry. Pretty, you can go. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I did not expect that. That just, you really.
That's why I was so fast.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And I'm always vigilant.
Damn.
Ngithukile, mama.
Kapekele Dlani.
Wena ungithandi. Awungithandi. Ngixoxa.
I do like you as a friend, as a brother,
Why if I would like? Angikhulumi ngo-like me.
as a brother,
But I'm not your brother. That's it.
as a co-worker. Oh, shame, man. I feel so bad for Oscar.
Nami nje.
Which is, you want to Mazana, I want to type as long as you have money.
Nje.
Because Oscar's a decent Zulu gent. Do you understand? Unalanto, in fact. He has that thing
And for the fact you're
that mature women like.
sis.
And then Upriti is then cheating with a screw. Two totally different men. So when I want to type when I as a girl, I want to is just money.
As long as man.
That's crazy to me. That is crazy. I know you type imali.
So when i-type yakho noma uyibona ukuthi i-type yakho uma ingenamali,
Ayandifuna. Nakube i-type yami phinde ube nemali. Just like there are a lot of rich men that I reject as well because they're not my
they're not
type.
your type. Even though benemali.
Yes. So even as a man, you're a type man.
Hayi.
Even when I'm dating a guy and I see his ex looks something like me, I get happy because I know, oh, he has a type.
Shoot.
Yes, it is right. And man, but oh, into I'm in a type.
So you investigate.
Yes. I must not be your first baddie. I must not be your first pretty girl.
Kumele ube nolayini wawo.
Yes.
Wena uhamba nabantu abaningi.
Even as a man, if you are a rich nigga or a good-looking nigga, you need to check if you're not the first
Tina, we don't check those-
good-looking man or the first rich man. Otherwise, we're gonna have a big problem.
But thina siyi-check le.
Yeah, you're gonna have a big problem. People don't know how to act.
Lesenkingeni.
People don't know how to act. Londo mazana leyo, because you're the first rich man or the first good-looking nigga, she's gonna be a groupie. Or sometimes she'll even sabotage because she thinks she doesn't deserve you. So she'll sabotage the relationship. She'll self-sabotage. Just like with men, if it's the first beautiful girl, the first I feel like hi, his track record yakho funeka today.
Manje what happens if awuna track record? Thothi mhlambe ibe yi-one girlfriend. Then the next thing ihlangana nawe.
That's fine.
Okay.
That's fine. But when type man as a human being, you are
Ungabi unsipho.
mix mix masala aibo. Awuna type, you don't have a type one.
Mina hayi ngaphi nama-type.
Awuna type.
Mawungincanywa ngiyancanywa.
You are let's close the show, guys. You are.
Fine.
Which is Ntombi yakho looks the previous girl because I'm not type.
Fana nawe. That's why I'm obsessed now.
It's fine.
Mara awazi wangiphupha ngisho ebusuku lesi. Awazi wangicabanga nje.
No.
So kuthini kuwena uma ungibuka?
I feel and say nothing. Shame, you look good. Ngoba ngafuna unike imali ye-massage.
Asiyeke imali eceleni. Yo. Why i-conversation yami nawe ungapheli imali ingafakwanga? Asiyeke imali eceleni. Asifaki imali
We
eceleni.
can never sibeke imali ekuqaleni.
It's fine. Akulungile phinda fethu azwa yini. Navela indaba enemali phakathi iyangikwatisa indaba enemali phakathi.
Why?
Ngoba ngithanda umuntu okhuluma ngemali. Ungakhulumi ngemali. Umuntu esifazana ungakhulumi ngemali. Ungacela imali.
Cela imali Dlamini.
Ngabe umuntu esifazana othanda imali.
Hayi chini njani?
Hayi. Akusuke kimi ngaphakathi uthi ngifuna ukukunika. Mama asilethe 50 rand la so yakho 50 rand incane. Lisa fethu ungabe kanjalo mfethu.
At least you gave me 300 rand, shame.
Ene ngiyayifuna. People, I still want my 300. I still want it. Ngiyayifuna. Ngakayitholi nama ngiyayifuna.
But you don't need it.
No, ngiyayidinga fethu.
No, you don't need it. You don't.
Okay, can I use it ke ngenye indlela?
You don't need it.
Yes.
Oh, you changed. I did my nails. Chinchai.
Mana, lana.
Not important. Ndintombazana Dlamini ethandwayo ngamadoda.
So ngikhuluma ngale Shandisi.
Ndiyayibona loo nto leyo ndiyintombazana ethandwayo.
Explain this.
I don't want to explain because andingeni indawo.
For me, please.
Andingeni indawo. Ndithe mna guys next year when I get married. Sanu investigator trying to add up the dates babe single ngexesha sokutshata njani nga ndiyekeni mna.
Are you ever gonna get married though when?
This is not a fake ring.
It looks fake.
Oh, okay.
Phinda. Ngicela usondele hayi ngeke. Ngiyazi kunabantu abazazi izinto lethi Mike. Kunabantu abazazi izinto abazongitshela. Hey.
No. I didn't know. This is sacred to me. You weren't even supposed to bring it up.
It's sacred.
Hmm.
Okay, hayi my secret asiyeke. Njengezinye izinto esecret engamelanga sikhulume ngazo. Okay, fine asambeni. It looks China Mall.
It's not. I chose it.
It looks more streets.
I chose the clowns.
When you chose it?
Hmm.
Okay, it's nice. Looks nice. Even though it looks nice. Congratulations in advance. Ngiyazi usazoyibuyisela. Ngiyazazobuyela.
Is it weird?
Wena umuntu ama 2 weeks, 3 weeks done. 2 weeks, 3 weeks done.
That's so mean.
Yeah, that's so you. It's not mean, but it's you.
But yeah, finally ring, ne?
Yeah, yakufanele. Yakufanele. Ngathi umama womuzi.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good.
Okay. Guys, let's wrap.
Yeah, son.
Me and my fake ring
Yeah.
are closing. All right, my name is Lisa Sirabe. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirabe _ and follow me on Facebook, Lisa Sirabe.
Instagram. Afengani ngifollow Instagram. Adu Instagram unani?
I don't want to say it.
Okay. Instagram welcome _ Dlamini 88. TikTok.
Because you've got AI pictures.
Uban.
You and yeah.
Have you seen my pictures? Go.
You've got AI pictures, Dlamini.
What is AI?
People can tell AI pictures, a real photo shoot and AI pictures.
Zenziwa kanjani?
Guys, let's wrap. Bye. Close pin.
Dlamini. Thank you.
Bye.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirabe Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if we are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale jino igqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoko saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Nginesikhathi esigangana nje nanokhaya.
Yes.
Uma phezulu ngadlala.